How you can get your name corrected on the CBSE mark sheet. Follow these simple steps to get your or your parents' name corrected in your CBSE mark sheet. Class 10th mark sheet and class 12th mark sheet are considered to be a few of the most important documents for a student. Class 10th mark sheet is also considered as the birth certificate in many institutions and offices. Therefore, any mistakes in these two certificates generally becomes a subject of worry. It is always an issue of worry when there is a spelling error in the name of our parents in our class 10th or class 12th mark sheet. Students generally panic during such situations. Some say you should get an affidavit, while some say you should go to CBSE office, but it is a never ending process. However, it is not that difficult. There are few simple steps you need to follow to get the name corrected on your class 10th or class 12th mark sheet. Correction in the name means correction in the spelling errors, factual errors, a typographical errors in candidate's name, surname, father's name, surname, mother's name, surname, to make it consistent with what is given in the school record. Here are some simple steps to follow for the correction of name in your class 10th or class 12th mark sheet. Visit the admission department of your school. Collect the admission form filled in by the parent at the time of admission. The school living certificate of the previous school submitted by the parents of the candidates at the time of admission. A portion of the page of admission and withdrawal register of the school where the entry has been made in respect of the candidate. The board may effect necessary correction after verification of the original records of the school and on payment of the prescribed fees. In order to process the name correction application, students need to deposit a certain fee amount. The fees vary depending upon the name of that is being corrected. Fee for name correction in mark sheet is 1000 rupees. Fee for change in candidate's mother's name, father's name, guardian's name is 1000 rupees plus actual cost of document. After completing the process, the board will make the necessary corrections once the verification in the original records of the school is done. Students are advised to carefully check all the details, name, date of birth, name of parents, etc. mentioned on their CBSE mark sheet 2020. However, in case you have found any mistake in your CBSE 10th or 12th mark sheet, then do not worry. Either your name is spelled incorrectly or father's name or mother's name is mentioned incorrectly in the mark sheet.